Hi, welcome to Corporate Tax Day 51. Today we are going to see all about foreign tax credit. Foreign tax credit is the amount of foreign taxes paid on the foreign source income which has not been exempted. This relief is unilateral and does not rely on the double taxation agreement or any other reciprocal action from the foreign taxing jurisdiction. The amount of corporate tax due should be calculated on the overall taxable income, and foreign tax credit can then be deducted from the amount of corporate tax payable. The amount of foreign tax credit cannot exceed the amount of corporate tax due on the foreign source income. FTC cannot be carried forward or back. No refund will be given for unutilized FTC. In addition, FTC can only be applied after any withholding tax credit has been applied. Taxable person must maintain all the necessary record for the purpose of claiming FTC. This could include, for example, withholding tax certificate, statement of payment, or assessment by the relevant FT. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.